How to use Google Tasks. Google Tasks is a task management application developed by Google. Available on Android, iOS, and integrated with Gmail and Google Calendar. It allows users to create, manage, and track to-dos. Features include setting reminders, due dates, and creating multiple task lists. Its simplicity makes it ideal for basic task tracking, while users seeking advanced functionalities might look elsewhere. Integrated within the Google ecosystem, it offers seamless synchronization across devices and services. Today I will show you how to create a task. Let's get started. You can install Google Task using the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once you've done that, open the app. As you can see, the environment is very simple. The application is easy to use and very handy. Now I will create a task. Click on the button with the plus sign. A new menu with settings opens. Let's add a task name. I'll add text that reminds me of the task itself. Edit video for YouTube. I'll click here to add task details. How to change a Facebook profile. Click on the clock icon. Here we will set a reminder. Click here to set the time. It's currently 4:20 p.m. For demonstration purposes, I will set it to 4:21 p.m. Click on Done. Save the task. The task has been added to the app. While we wait for the minute to pass, visit our channel. You will find many tutorials that can be useful to you. If you find something you like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And there it is, as you can see, a task notification appears on the screen. I will click on the notification. If you've completed the task, you can mark it as done by clicking here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.